Friends, today, I will talk about a jungle that is scarier than the Amazon. The forest is home to a breathtaking array of biodiversity. The terrifying jungle is spread across 6 different countries. It is the second largest tropical rainforest in the world, second only to the Amazon. Watch the full video to know more about this vibrant and lush landscape. The forest is a combination of rivers, forests, savannas, swamps, and flooded forests. Did you know it is the world's largest forest-based carbon sink? I am talking about the Congo Basin, also known as the lungs of Africa. Vital to the health of our planet. Its dense vegetation, acting as a huge carbon sink, absorbs and stores large amounts of carbon dioxide and helps regulate Earth's climate by significantly reducing the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, which contributes to global warming and climate change. It can also absorb more carbon dioxide than the Amazon. The tribal people here have, for thousands of years, lived in the forests of the Congo Basin. Today, the Congo Basin provides food, medicine, water, materials and shelter for more than 1 million people in Pachado. Among the approximately 150 different ethnic groups, the Ba aka Baka, Bambuti, F and other related groups are often referred to as pygmies, living an ancient hunter-gatherer lifestyle. Today's most visible representatives, they possess an incredible knowledge of wild animals and its medicinal plants. Congo Basin, home to unparalleled biodiversity, is home to over 400 species of mammals, over 1,000 species of birds and 700 species of fish. However, some of these populations are already listed as endangered. For example, 4 endangered African great ape species live in the dense forests of the Congo Basin. These are bonobos, chimpanzees, eastern gorillas, including the mountain gorilla and Greer's gorilla, and western gorillas, including the western lowland gorilla, and the Cross River gorilla. Apart from these beautiful primates, other endangered species include giraffes, handsome okapis, Congo gray parrots, and endangered African forest elephants. Sadly, these animals face various threats, such as illegal poaching for bushmeat or ivory, and habitat loss due to deforestation and mining. Most of the people of the Congo Basin make a living supplementing agriculture, and are heavily dependent on forests for raw materials. With the construction of roads, access to the interior of the forest has been facilitated, and many people have moved closer to the roads. But palm plantations, population growth, and road development have put pressure on traditional resource systems. The Congo Basin covers some of the poorest countries in the world. By focusing on the protection and sustainable use of natural resources, the World-wide Fund seeks to ensure that the forests and freshwater ecosystems of the Congo Basin remain a major source of livelihood for the people of the region. The rainforest is not just a wildlife refuge. It is home to over 10,000 species of tropical plants, including valuable medicinal plants. These plants can help treat millions of ailments worldwide. African ginger root, for example, can help treat coughs, infections, and malaria. Similarly, the seeds of Griffonia namic, an African bush, can help cure stomach problems. Oleander namak, another herb seed, can treat heart problems like irregular heartbeat. However, critically endangered plant species such as African ginger, due to overharvesting to cure them, call for urgent action. The Congo Basin is rich in natural resources such as timber, diamonds, and petroleum, but current methods of extracting these resources threaten the future of this vast area. that the Congo River is the second longest river in Africa after the Nile? It is approximately 4,700 kilometers long and provides fresh water, food, and shelter to more than 85 million people in the surrounding area. It also helps provide water for locally grown crops such as bananas, cassava, rice, and corn, which depend on large amounts of water for growth. Also, the rivers are full of various species of fish like catfish, tigerfish, and tilapia. Poaching has become a growing problem in the Congo Basin National Park and other protected areas as well. International trade in protected species such as elephants has reached levels that have endangered the species' existence. WWF recognizes the need for strong anti-poaching operations. Mountain gorillas, found only in 2 isolated regions in Central Africa. Through the efforts of park staff, the number of mountain gorillas in Virunga's National Park has increased. As mentioned earlier, the Congo Basin and its wildlife face many threats, from poaching to deforestation. A community of local people, known as the Sohoya Bashoto Wildlife Trackers, are working hard to protect these amazing animals from danger. Teaming up with conservationists, they help promote ecotourism, allowing people from all over the world to observe Congo's wildlife up close. Ba aka Tribe, local wildlife trackers work with the WWF. Use their keen senses and knowledge of the terrain to follow animal tracks and other signs where elusive primates such as the western lowland gorilla live. They provide scientists with information about gorillas, which contributes to their conservation. They help generate funds for future conservation efforts, encouraging an environmentally friendly tourism for visitors interested in seeing gorillas. Have you heard the famous story about a mysterious river monster in Congo called Mokolmbembe? According to the locals, it has a long neck, a long tail and a body like a huge elephant. It is also known as a herbivore, which lives deep in the forest water, hidden from human eyes. Locals also share stories of its presence. It is calm, but terrifying when excited. Despite numerous expeditions to uncover its existence, the creature remains a legend.